Forests are the lungs of our planet, covering vast landscapes and supporting countless species. But which countries have the largest forested areas? Let's count down from number 1. 1. Russia, 7,762,600 to square kilometers. Russia tops the list with forests covering 45.4% of its land and area the size of Australia. 2. Brazil, 4,776,980 square kilometers. Over half of Brazil is covered by forest, including the iconic Amazon rainforest. 3. Canada, 3,101,340 square kilometers. Canada's forests cover 31.06% of its land, an area nearly the size of India. For United States to 3,030,890 square kilometers. From the mighty redwoods to the Appalachians, 35. China, 1,821,000 square kilometers. Despite its size, only 18.1% of China is forest, with green gems like Shibin. 6. Australia, 1,470,830 to square kilometers. With 19% forest cover, Australia boasts stunning forests like the Adelaide Hills Range. 7. Democratic Republic of Congo, 1,219,326 square kilometers. Over half of the DR Congo is rainforest, one of the largest in Africa. 8. Argentina to 945,336 square kilometers. 34% of Argentina is forest, with stunning landscapes like the Iguazu waterfalls. 9. Indonesia to 884,950 square kilometers. Nearly half of Indonesia is covered in forests, home to diverse wildlife in Cybotas and beyond. 10. India, 778,424 square kilometers. India's forests cover 23.68% of its land, with breathtaking greenery in Karnataka and beyond. Forests are vital for our planet's health. Protecting them ensures a greener future for generations to come.